State Farm price increase. Understanding the factors and what you can do. State Farm, like other insurance companies, occasionally raises its rates. Several factors can contribute to an increase in your premium, ranging from changes in your personal circumstances to broader industry trends. Understanding why these price hikes occur and how they affect your insurance can help you make informed decisions. 1. Factors leading to a price increase. State Farm considers various factors when determining car insurance rates, and many of these factors can contribute to a price increase. Claims history. If you have filed multiple claims in the past, you may see an increase in your premium as a result. Risk assessment. If your location has seen an increase in accidents, thefts, or natural disasters, the risk is higher, which can lead to a rate hike. Changes in the vehicle. If you have a more expensive car or one that's at higher risk of theft or accidents, your premium could go up. State regulations. Local regulations and legal changes can impact insurance prices, as state governments often regulate rates and mandates. 2. Economic conditions and inflation. Inflation can lead to higher repair costs, parts, and labor, which often prompts insurance companies to increase premiums to cover these expenses. Rising costs in the auto industry, such as for new vehicles or parts, can also impact your premiums. Third, industry-wide trends. Sometimes price increases come from changes within the broader insurance industry. For instance, if other insurers raise rates due to increased claims or disasters, State Farm may follow suit to maintain its financial stability and ability to pay claims. 4. Changes in coverage or deductible. If you've recently made changes to your coverage, such as increasing your limits or adding extra coverage, e.g., comprehensive or collision, your premium will naturally rise. Additionally, lowering your deductible may increase your costs since the insurer will be responsible for a higher payout in case of a claim. 5. Age and driving experience. If your driving record or age changes, your insurance premium may increase. Young drivers or drivers with less experience are typically charged higher rates. Similarly, if you've had a driving infraction or accident, it can cause a price hike. 6. Available discounts. State Farm offers various discounts, and if you no longer qualify for any of them, your rates could increase. Discounts like safe driving, multi-policy bundling, and vehicle safety features can significantly reduce your premiums. Losing eligibility for these discounts might result in a higher price. 7. How to manage a price increase. If your State Farm insurance premium increases, there are a few steps you can take to manage the hike. Review your coverage. Check if you still need all the coverage options you currently have. You may be able to reduce your premium by lowering coverage levels or adjusting your deductible. Ask about discounts. Reach out to your agent to ask about any available discounts you may qualify for. Shop around. If you're not satisfied with the increase, consider comparing rates from other insurers to see if there's a better offer. Increase your deductible. Opting for a higher deductible could lower your monthly premiums, though you'll pay more out of pocket if a claim arises. 8. Speak with an agent. If you notice a price increase and are unsure why, contact your State Farm agent. They can provide insight into the factors affecting your premium and may help you find ways to reduce your costs or adjust your policy. 9. Consider switching providers. If the price increase from State Farm is significant and doesn't align with your budget, it might be time to consider other insurance providers. Comparing quotes from multiple insurers can help you find more competitive rates. A price increase can be frustrating, but understanding the reasons behind it and taking proactive steps can help manage the impact. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.